Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. After looking at GALA yesterday when we were all the way up here, I did say that we were due to be pushing down towards the downside. We did come up perfectly pretty much to the target we had here. We then came down to a lower target, but something really positive is showing right now in the GALA price that is having me a little bit excited about what could be happening for GALA, despite seeing this big death cross here where we did see the 50 period moving average moving down below the 100. But we are now starting to see that we're putting in these higher lows each time, and we have now aggressively moved up further towards the upside, having touched this low here at about 46 cents and then pushing up to now 49 cents. So what can we see that's now playing out? Well, we've got, obviously, as I've mentioned, we've got these higher lows coming in here, and we can also see on the upside that we are also finding these areas, showing that we're now forming it into pretty much a symmetrical triangle. As we know, guys, symmetrical triangles can either work as a continuation pattern where we can see pushes back towards the downside, or we can see them as reversal patterns, and then we could potentially see it move towards the upside. You know, obviously we had this crazy push for the GALA price over the last month or so, so it's always necessary to have a bit of a cool off, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. If we missed out on getting in on these opportunities, then we could potentially find ourselves good buying positions. Now, in terms of what we must see right now, what we are seeing is this 50 period moving average providing a bit of resistance for us on the 4 hour. So what we really want to see here is for us to be able to break through. There's also something significant at this level that's playing out. And if we jump into the Fibonacci, guys, we can see from this swing high, drop it down to the swing low, we can see that we are looking quite solid indeed. You can see that this red line here, the 0.236, which is about 47 cents, gave us support. As well as that, we came in line with this yellow line here. So as long as we're able to continue to start pushing back towards the upside, then the next target that's really going to tell us whether we're back on track to see this reverse is all the way up here at this level of 54 cents. Now, from that current price all the way up to 54 cents would be a 10% push, which, you know, in the world of crypto is not anything significant, especially after what we've seen happen in the GALA price previously. Now, in terms of what we would see if we did have a breakout from this chart, then we would take us all the way up from a potential breakout position here, which would bring us back up to 73 cents, which, lo and behold, guys, is in line pretty much with where we were before. We did have a bit of a breakthrough, but that will basically bring us back to all-time highs, and that would be a significant push for us. If, however, we are unable to maintain this level above the yellow line, then the downside scenario for us would be potentially down towards 28 cents. But obviously you've got the 200 moving average coming up here, which also coincides with this level of support we've had back here. So I think if we had a downside move, we would be looking at around 38 cents, which from current position could be a drop of around 24%. Or the upside potential we just mentioned would be up 50%. So in terms of risks versus rewards, in my opinion, not necessarily a bad buying opportunity, but it could be wrong, guys. Obviously, go away and do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. So pay attention to see what happens in this pattern, guys. It's very key. You know, as I can see right now, I'm thinking that GALA is looking pretty bullish in my opinion. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel, then make sure you smash that subscribe button to get up to date with all the latest happening in crypto. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.